Shine your eyes. We are tired of us.
Please make way. If you love your president, make some noise. If you love your president, hold on. Make way. Listen. If you love your president, make way for your president to come on. Make way for your president to come on. Let's wait for your president. Make way.
I'm a Septuagint Bishop Ambassador Dr. Zuriel Atisi Ofikweke. I'm a retired banker. Before I went into banking field, I've been a minister of the gospel.
We are all suffering. We can't continue like this. We need a change. It's 2023. We are all supporting Obi, both within the country, outside the country, because he has given us a word. The new Nigeria is possible. And I'm standing and declaring, as a servant of the living God, that today, that Obi is in Delta State, that new Nigeria has been born.
Hey!
President supposed to say they can chat it. Now we take them, we know they run, no retreat, no surrender.
Labour Party! Labour Party! Mama, Papa, Pikin! Delta una dey here. Youth una dey here. Women una dey here. Men una dey here. Una know say I be una sister, shey una know. All of us na Niger Delta o. Hey, one thing wey I wan beg una. Akwa Ibom is all. See my people dey here. Make una know say my people dey here. Delta, we don come. Peter Obi and Datti train don land una domot today. Wetin I wan tell una be say na only us be party wey get human face. Even our logo show am now. We don follow broom, we follow umbrella, follow chicken. Now wetin you dey follow? Mama, Papa, Pikin. The only thing wey I tell una, the only thing wey we go take shark for February 25 be wetin? Na wetin? Abeg, if you no get collect your PVC, make you go collect am now. Because we as mothers and youth, na INEC talk, we constitute about 75% of the voting population in Nigeria. So our time don reach. Wetin I talk? Our time don reach. Na time of youth and women. And for Labour Party, na the only party wey get accommodation for women and youth. Because the government na my own and na your own. All I wan tell una say, make I leave all the grammar. The presidential candidate go come talk to us. But wetin I wan tell my people for Niger Delta be say, anything wey Peter Obi talk and he no do, make una hold me responsible. I dey tell una true. Na the only person wey dey contest, you no get am. I say when we vote Peter Obi in for February 25, then swear am in for May 29th. When he start work, if he do anything wey he no do, anything wey he no do, hold me responsible. Wetin I wan tell una say, God don bless us for this country. He give us last chance. This na our last bus stop o. Na our last bus stop be this. And we as women and youth, we go come out, show them say we fit make Nigeria better. New Nigeria don come. So that's why I dey put my own self at stake. So I dey beg una, comot, come vote. That na the only weapon wey we get. We no get anything, only weapon wey we get na that PVC and to vote them out.
In the life of every nation, opportunity dey say come but once. This very opportunity is for us. This opportunity is for the youth. This opportunity is for the women. This opportunity is for all the oppressed to change the narrative in our country. There is no gainsaying the fact today that the country is at a crossroads. The country is in trouble. The country is in comatose. nothing is working in the country. And this is the only opportunity that we have, the 2023 general election, to change the narrative in the country. And having looked round, it's not because Peter Obi is in Labour Party. If I was in PDP, and Peter Obi is running in Labour Party, I would have supported Peter Obi. I'm saying so because he has what it takes.
The losers of 2023 elections are already known. I don't know what is deceiving them. Do you know how you know who these losers are? They have made promises for 24 years. One half of them made promises for 16 years. The other ones made promises for 8 years and failed. How do you know a loser? They make promises, they fail. How do you know a loser? With all that they have had, they cannot face us. They cannot face Peter Obi and myself. They cannot face us and talk about security. They will hide behind and talk about structure. The structure that they used to destroy Nigeria to where we are today. If you want to know the losers of 2023 elections, they are the ones who cannot face us and talk about the economy, yet they face you and tell you that they have the resources. These are the losers. You will also know the losers of this election when they cannot face Peter Obi and me and talk about economy and consumption to production.
PDP chairman, 70 years. APC chairman, 70 years. Labour chairman, 52 years. We know it's our turn. It's our turn. Make we tell them. We'll look after them. We'll make sure they retire in peace. We'll give them, we'll pay them compensation. Let them just go and allow us to feed this country. We can't continue like this. This job requires physical and mental energy. Not be say we got to carry person, we got to go like no, not be retirement home. We want people where they're ready. We are ready for it.
Government has not been old people's home.
Yes. We want one. We will fix. You know, if they make mistake, if they don't make mistake, next year, this year's election will be based on character we can trust. People we can trace their history. This is Datti Baba Ahmed. Everybody knows the secondary school. Everybody knows secondary school where he go. They know his classmates. He get first degree for Nigeria. Go London, do PhD for economics, put down. Me. Hello. Me. Everybody know. I went to CKC. I went to Nsukka. And I don't go several other universities. Oxford there, Cambridge there, everything there. What did they want? Lagos Business School. See Professor Tommy. What did they want? We are businessmen. We created wealth. None of them don't create wealth. They only take it. We want to stop that taking and we want to stop sharing. So we want to remove these people who are used to sharing and people who are creating. We are begging you to support us. We are competent. We are competent. We are competent. We are qualified. We have the capacity to do the job. And above all, we have compassion. So no go follow them. They want to give you money. If they give you money, chop and vote for us. Now your money now. Now your money. They don't get any money. Now your money where they steal. If they give it to you, chop and vote for us.